Rose, or for that matter Singapore Zoo, can be called by any other name, but that don't diminish their appeal. Singapore Zoo, which in local parlance is known as the Monday Zoo, was formerly known as the Singapore Zoological Gardens. But common to its many names is its great entertainment quotient, which attract a galore of tourists to its wooded environs. Spread across 28 hectares, located within Singapore's wooded central catchment area, the zoo houses 315 species of animals, a small proportion of which are endangered. Singapore Zoo is making sincere endeavors to promote the culture of wildlife conservation. One of the popular reflections of this effort is manifested through the breeding of endangered species such as proboscis monkey, manatee, orangutan, dog langur, and white rhinoceros. You can find these special babies in this unique zoo. The animals are seen in their natural habitat, roaming in their wild splendors in spacious landscaped enclosures. They are separated from the visitors by dry or wet moats or glass-fronted enclosures, which act as safeguards for tourists. All total, 3,200 mammals, birds and reptiles and fish inhabit this zoo. One of the attractions of the zoo is the fragile forest, where you can experience a tropical rainforest with its wildlife. At the same time, you can experience the adventure of trekking through the Great Rift Valley of Ethiopia here in Singapore Zoo, where you can have an exotic wild date with the black-backed jackals, the banded mongoose and the hamadryas baboons. This adventure and a revelation of a zoo is operated by Wildlife Reserve Singapore, who also has the credit of managing the neighbouring Night Safari and that avian wonderland, the Zurong Bird Park.